Welcome everyone and good morning everyone. Welcome to today's sessions of network automations and the future of networking careers basically. My name is Gaurav. I am from Networkings. Today I will discuss how network automations, Python, Ansible, APIs and AI is transforming the network industry basically. End of this sessions, you're going to understand few things like what is a network automation and why companies are hiring a network automation engineer and how to start your network automation journey from the scratch. And there's some career opportunity which we are going to discuss during this particular session. Okay. So I will ask you a few questions so that I'll understand my audience and what you guys are doing because in networking, like there are a lot of people. It's close to 50,000 user who completed trainings on CCNA, CCNP, firewalls, networking, cloud, and all. So now automation is the future. So I just want to understand my audience like what they are doing in the current situation. So the first questions which you can answer in the chat box. Okay. So how do you currently configure network devices? So basically, I just want to understand if in case how you are doing all these configuration. So still you're using CLI manual configurations, or you'll do SSH and copy paste, or you're using script or automation, or still like you're not a networking engineers. Like what is so? Please answer this in the chat box so that I will understand. Okay, interesting. So the most of engineers still using manual CLI configuration. Okay, okay. So imagine managing 500 switches and making same configurations one by one is not the right approach basically. This is what this automation is coming to the picture. Okay. Because if in case you need to configure or you need to troubleshoot or there are some certain requirements from the companies which we need to implement on quickly. So doing like opening a devices and doing a configurations on each devices separately, that's gonna take a lot of time. So now the second question from you is basically, I just want to know like how much time do you spend on the repeated task on the configurations every week, like 5 days in a 5 hours or less than 5 hours, 5 to 10 hours or 10 to 15 hours. So you can answer in the chat like how much time you're spending on CLI configurations. Okay, okay. So see guys, again, according to the answers which you guys are giving, understand this, the network automation is the futures. Now every companies who is looking a good network engineers, they are expecting from the engineer that they know how to automate, how to use Python, how to use Ansible scripts and all. So this is the future. So if in case you haven't started till now about this network automation, this is the right time to engage yourself in the automation journey. Okay. So let me ask everyone one more questions. If your company asks you to change a VLAN configurations on 1,000 switch tonight, how would you do it? अगर आपकी कंपनी आपको बोलती है कि आपको 1,000 स्विचेस को कॉन्फ़िगरेशन करनी है, तो उसको और उनसे आपको एक डेडलाइन है दैट यू नीड टू डू इट टुनाइट ओनली, सो हाउ यू गोना डू? So again, everybody is saying like they like the way they are using right now, they're doing a manual configurations, log into each devices and doing a configuration. So this is not the right approach, guys. With the help of automations, you can do it same things in 15 minutes. Run a Python scripts or Ansible playbook is a part of automation. So whatever we are doing right now in the productions, uh, configuring a router and switch or like a, on the manual traditional basically way, that's not the right approach. So learn this automation. This can help you. This can help boost your profiles as per the industry standards right now. Okay, so if in case I'll talk about the old way, like a engineer used to log in on the routers and configure the devices, log out, like a same 100 times they need to do the same configuration on each device. So now, if in case you know the automations with the help of Python or the Ansibles, connect to the 100 devices, push the configuration, generate the reports, show more lines, and done in a minute. So the same things which you supposed to complete in a day or two, you are able to finish within a 15 to 20 minutes. That's is the automations. Okay. Okay. Now everybody as in like a, you know, like a, you're a network engineers and you have a fear like a how this how to learn this automations, like a how to learn the coding stuff. So don't worry. Now AI is coming to the pictures and AI is playing a very major roles now in these days. So you don't need to worry like a how to write the scripts and all. You can take a help from the help of AI, and AI can help you. But yes, to understand whether whatever the code you're getting from AI that is correct or not, for to understand we need to know the concepts of this coding also. So this is something which we are going to teach you in the entire program. Okay, so what is network automation? So let's understand like what is the network automation. So network automation is the process to automate a network configurations, management, monitors, and troubleshoot using software tools and the scripts basically. Instead of doing all the manual through CLI, the configurations through CLI. Now, how to do it through the software tools, that's the automations. Okay. So if in case I'll talk about the traditional way, like where we used to do, we need to log in on each device and do all the configuration on each device individual. That's time's gone now. With the help of Python and Ansibles, you are able to do it the same things within a 15 to 20 minutes. This is the automation. So now the challenge is like when it comes to the traditional network, you can see the one company is not rely on one single vendor. You cannot say that you have only Cisco, you have only Juniper, or you have only Arista. Now every organization using a multi-vendor. Okay, so with the help of AI, with the help of automation, it's very easy to understand these all the concepts. This is how automation is playing a major roles in these days. Okay, so to example, why network automations is basically first we need to understand like a why network automations. Okay, so the use cases, the business cases is basically the current challenge. Too many devices to manage manually, cost and human. Basically, whenever somebody is doing a manual configuration, the chances are very high, and that can impact our productions. Okay, slowness रहेगा and risk रहेगा, deployment रहेगा, and even the multi vendors environments where like there are some engineer who trained on Cisco, there are some engineer who trained on Juniper. So there are very less engineer who know each and every vendor. Okay, so then we need a lot of people to involve these all the as per the traditional network. So just to kill that particular issue, the automation is the future. The fast reliable deployment. Okay, doing the configurations quickly as per the client requirements, and this is something like a which can help you to grow personally also. Personally means if in case you are high, you are expecting a good salary, trust me guys, if in case you know the automations, you can easily go ahead and you can target a good job. Okay, so what's the market wants now in these days? So if in case I'll talk about the industry requirements, companies need a network engineers, a cloud network engineers, a devnet engineers, SRE engineers, and infrastructure automation engineers. Okay, CCNA and CCNP is still valuable. I cannot say like this skills is not gonna help you. Of course, your background is networking. You spend a good time. Some of the people, as I asked you earlier, also like you have a 5 year or 10 years journey with this networking equipments. So that doesn't mean this skills is gonna vanish. No, you still getting a value because you know hardcore concepts of networking. So how to automate, which we are going to teach you in this particular network automation journey. Okay. So this is how I just want to tell you like how the automation, basically the tool which we are going to learn, the Python, the Ansible, GitHub, REST API, and netconfig. So this is something we are going to learn this entire program for 100 hours. Okay. So 100 hours means like from scratch to advanced levels, where are 60 to 70% the concept, the focus only on the practical approach. 30 to 35% we need to understand the concept, where we are going to explain you the theory concept, but rest of the times like configurations doing on the higher level, like instead of doing a manuals, if in case you have a 10 15 devices, as a network engineer it's easy to manage, but once you have a thousands of devices, how to use AI, that's gonna that how to use automations, that's gonna be we are gonna teach you in this particular program. Okay, the backups, so compliance check, so these all is a part of our network automation batch. The career opportunities, if in case I'll talk about, if in case you are a network engineer and you are adding this skills automations, which can help you to 2x your salary. 2x of salary means, yes, of course, if in case you are helping a company to grow and you're giving a quick resolutions to your clients, if your client is happy, there is no way where your company cannot give you a hike. Whether you are looking a increment within the organizations or you're looking a switch, of course, this is something is gonna help you. Okay, so I will I just want to tell you the 22nd August 2026 8 p.m. This is our weekend batch where we are gonna teach you this network automations from basic to advanced. So this the new batch is starting from 22nd August, and it's 100 hours of live trainings. We invited our engineer who is more than 15 plus year in this industry. Like he is also like you only, where he started his journey from the networking equipment, data center concepts and all, but now he is completely focused on AI and the automations. So if you're learning from this network engineers, the expert who not network engineer, basically he's an automation engineer right now. Okay, so this is a beneficial for you. And then let me show you share my screen again so that I can tell you the course content which we have in this particular program. Okay, so let me share my screen again. Okay, so this is the program which we are starting from 22nd August, okay, which is related to only automation. Again, when I'm talking about network automation in this program, we are not gonna teach you like a how to how BGP, OSPF, and VLANs works. Our major focus is how to automate the devices. Okay, so again, I told you like this is 100 hours program where our 60 to 70% focus only on the practicals, okay, and 30, 35 or 40% is on the theory concepts also. So 18 modules in this entire program, which is more enough to understand from basic to advanced. So who can do this program? If in case you are a network engineer, you are a DevOps and SRE engineer, this particular technology is for you. Okay, the cloud platform engineers. Okay, so now there are a lot of people who have a question like how this automation, how automation is going to help in cloud. So example, you created any of the incident on cloud and you don't know whether your incident, the resource which you have created on clouds, that is underused or overused. So how you're going to get that idea with the help of automations? Automation, like auto backups. Basically, you don't need to do the backups manually. If in case you're putting a scripts or you're putting the automations on that particular resource, you'll get all the ideas, all the reports automatically. So that's the idea. That's a benefit of learning this automations. Okay. So if you know the basic understanding, if you know the CCNA, CCNP knowledge, that's enough to understand this network automation program. Okay. So under this automations, our major focus is basically on the Linux the Linux and Python, basically the API and model-driven networking, Ansible and automations, and AI element application. This is what we are going to learn. This, and you can see on the screens, we have divided this entire programs in this way, where initially the program will take basically to understand 3 hours we need to spend here. The Linux essentials and network scripting is for 12 hours. Python and DevOps ecosystem is for 24 hours. APIs, security, and encoding ML is basically 25 hours. Ansible, service provider and multi-vendor concept is for 13 hours. LLM and prompt engineering and AI apps is for 23 hours, which is very, very important, guys. The last modules, this is the future of all the concepts. Okay. So this program is, this is how we have divided the Linux. First, we're going to start. The Python is for 20 hours and this the automations and all. So you, if you want to get all the informations, I have already like pasted my link in the below this video. Okay, so you can register for our 22nd August webinar, and you can attend our first free webinar, and then after that you can decide. And in on 22nd August webinar, you can interact with the trainers. You can ask what are the questions you have. So thank you guys, and just registered yourself for 22nd August webinar so that you'll get an idea like how automation is going to help you in future. Okay, thank you guys.